Why travel rewards credit cards matter in 2025. The world of travel is constantly changing. Airlines are updating loyalty programs, hotels are reworking their reward systems, and credit card companies are in fierce competition to offer the best perks. In 2025, travel rewards cards have become even more valuable because inflation in airfare and hotel prices makes it harder to travel affordably. But with the right credit card, you can offset those rising costs, get access to airport lounges, free checked bags, priority boarding, and earn miles or points that can be redeemed for free trips. Unlike regular cashback cards, travel cards are designed for people who want experiences rather than just cash savings. Instead of a few dollars back on your groceries, you could be flying business class across the Atlantic, all thanks to rewards. So if traveling is a big part of your life, or even just a dream you're working toward, then choosing the right card is one of the smartest financial moves you can make this year. What to look for in a travel rewards credit card? Before we reveal our top picks, let's quickly go over the key features you should always look for in a travel rewards card in 2025. First, pay attention to the welcome bonus. Many cards offer massive bonuses, sometimes 60,000 to 100,000 points, just for hitting a spending requirement in the first 3 months. That bonus alone can be worth a round-trip international flight. Next, consider the earn rate. Some cards give you higher rewards on travel purchases, while others reward you for dining, groceries, or everyday spending. If you spend a lot on restaurants or flights, pick a card that aligns with your lifestyle. Third, check the annual fee versus benefits. Some premium cards charge $550 or even $695 per year, but if you use their perks, like free lounge access, travel credits, or free hotel nights, they can more than pay for themselves. Fourth, make sure the points are flexible. Cards that let you transfer points to multiple airline and hotel partners usually give you the best value. And finally, look at the extra perks, things like no foreign transaction fees, TSA pre-check or global entry credits, trip insurance, and rental car coverage. These features can save you hundreds of dollars a year. The best travel rewards credit cards of 2025, top picks revealed. Alright, now let's dive into the part you've been waiting for, our list of the best credit cards for travel rewards in 2025. 1. The Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. The Chase Sapphire Preferred has been one of the most recommended travel cards for years, and in 2025 it still holds its ground. The welcome bonus is outstanding, currently around 60,000 points after meeting the initial spending requirement. With Chase points, you can transfer to partners like United, Southwest, and Hyatt, or redeem through the Chase travel portal with a 25% bonus. That means your 60,000 points can easily be worth $750 toward travel. The card also earns 5x points on travel booked through Chase, 3x on dining, and 2x on all other travel purchases. With a $95 annual fee, it's affordable and provides excellent value for beginners or frequent travelers alike. 2. The Capital One Venture X Rewards Credit Card. If you want premium benefits without the hefty annual fee of other luxury cards, the Venture X is a fantastic option. It comes with a welcome bonus of around 75,000 miles, plus it earns 2x miles on every purchase. The real kicker is the perks. You get a $300 annual travel credit, 10,000 bonus miles every year on your anniversary, and unlimited priority pass lounge access. Considering the annual fee is $395, these benefits more than cover the cost. This card is perfect for people who want simplicity, no confusing categories, just strong rewards on everything you buy, plus premium travel benefits. 3. The American Express Gold Card. While this card is famous for its dining rewards, it's also a great travel card. You earn 4x points at restaurants, 4x at US supermarkets, on up to $25,000 per year, and 3x on flights booked directly with airlines or Amex Travel. Membership rewards points are incredibly flexible, with transfer partners like Delta, Emirates, and Hilton. The Amex Gold also offers dining credits and Uber credits, which can help offset its $250 annual fee. If you are a foodie who also loves to travel, this card is a perfect match. 4. The Platinum Card from American Express. This is the ultimate luxury travel card. The Amex Platinum comes with a massive welcome bonus, often 80,000 to 100,000 points, and it earns 5x on flights and prepaid hotels. But the real value is in its perks. You get access to the Centurion Lounges, Delta Sky Clubs, and Priority Pass Lounges, plus $200 in airline fee credits, $200 in hotel credits, and TSA pre-check or global entry reimbursement. The annual fee is steep at $695, but if you travel often and make use of the benefits, it's worth every penny. For those who want first-class experiences both in the air and on the ground, this card is unmatched. 5. The City Premier Card. The City Premier is a hidden gem in 2025. It comes with a strong welcome bonus of 60,000 points, earns 3x on dining, supermarkets, gas stations, and air travel, and offers excellent transfer partners. With an annual fee of just $95, this is one of the most versatile and affordable options for people who want to maximize everyday spending and still rack up travel points. Honorable mentions. Besides our top 5, there are a few honorable mentions worth noting. The Bank of America Travel Rewards Credit Card is a no annual fee option that's great for beginners. The Hilton Honors American Express Aspire Card is perfect if you're loyal to Hilton hotels, with automatic diamond status and free weekend nights. And the United Explorer Card is excellent for United flyers, offering free checked bags and priority boarding. How to maximize travel rewards in 2025? Getting the right card is only half the battle. You also need to know how to maximize your rewards. First, always hit the minimum spend requirement to unlock the welcome bonus. Plan your big purchases, like paying for insurance, vacations, or even certain bills, with your new card. Second, use the right card for the right category. For example, use your Amex Gold for dining, your Chase Sapphire for travel, and your Venture X for general purchases. Stacking rewards this way allows you to earn points faster. Third, always transfer points to travel partners when possible. Booking directly through airlines and hotels usually gives you a much higher redemption value compared to using points for cashback or gift cards. For instance, 60,000 points could be worth $600 in cash, but the same points could cover a $1,200 business class ticket if transferred wisely. Fourth, don't forget about travel protections. Many of these cards offer trip cancellation insurance, rental car coverage, lost baggage protection, and even emergency medical coverage when abroad. These benefits can save you thousands in unexpected expenses. Common mistakes to avoid. While travel rewards are amazing, there are some pitfalls you should avoid. First, never carry a balance on these cards. The interest rates are high, and the cost of interest will completely wipe out the value of your rewards. Always pay your balance in full each month. Second, don't apply for too many cards at once. Spacing out your applications helps protect your credit score. Third, don't hoard points for too long. Airlines and hotels can devalue programs, meaning your points could be worth less in the future. Use them while they have the most value. Who should get a travel rewards card? So, who exactly are these cards best for? If you love traveling or even plan one big trip each year, a travel rewards card can save you hundreds if not thousands of dollars annually. They're also great for people who spend a lot on dining, groceries, or flights. But if you really travel and prefer simple cashback, then a standard cashback card might be better. To wrap things up, the best travel rewards credit cards of 2025 offer incredible opportunities to turn your everyday spending into dream vacations. Whether you are looking for a beginner-friendly option like the Chase Sapphire Preferred, a luxury powerhouse like the Amex Platinum, or an all-around simple card like the Capital One Venture X, there's a card for every type of traveler. The key is to choose a card that matches your lifestyle, use it strategically, and redeem your points wisely. If you do that, you'll find yourself enjoying free flights, luxury hotels, and stress-free travel experiences without spending extra money. So, which of these cards are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more personal finance and travel content. Here's to making your 2025 travels unforgettable, without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.